Upon entering a hotel room, avoid placing luggage directly on the bed. The bed is a common area for bed bugs, increasing infestation risk. Use the provided luggage rack for your bags. Alternatively, place luggage on a hard surface away from the bed. This minimizes the chance of bed bugs infesting your belongings during your stay. Begin by systematically inspecting the mattress in the hotel room. Pull back the sheets to fully expose the mattress surface. Pay close attention to the seams and edges of the mattress. Look for small black dots, which may be bed bug excrement. Also, search for small, live brown bugs on the mattress. These signs indicate a potential bed bug infestation. Bed bugs often hide in the headboard and corners of the bed. Thoroughly check these areas for any signs of infestation. Inspect pillow edges carefully for bed bugs or their remnants. Also, check behind bedside tables, as bed bugs may hide there. If suspicious signs are observed, request a room change. If infestation is suspected, consider leaving the hotel.